Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching, and I would really appreciate it if you subscribe down below. It's free and it helps me out a whole lot. So in today's video, I will be reviewing some products from Flora and Curl. They gave me some options on things that I could pick out. So I got their cream shampoo, their cream conditioner, the leave-in detangler, and their curl defying gel. I got all these products from them, and I'm just gonna do I already did it. I did a full wash day showing you guys them, and these are my results of this beautiful Bantu knot. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look, just keep watching. All right guys, so I just got out of the shower. I washed my hair with this cream shampoo and cream conditioner. Honestly, I wasn't a huge fan of the shampoo. I used a little bit at first and it wasn't like lathering when I was putting it through my hair, and when I use shampoo, it got a lather. Like I had that lather, so I know that it's actually working in my hair. So then I added a little bit more shampoo, and I didn't think I added too much, so it wasn't bad. It just didn't work right now. So like after I rinsed out the shampoo, I wasn't a fan of how my hair felt. Like it definitely felt clean, but it felt like a little too clean, and I don't like that. It just didn't give me a good feeling with my hair. I just didn't like the way it felt. But then I went in with the cream conditioner, and I did like this. I think it kind of saved the day for the shampoo, and added some of that moisture back to my hair. Yeah, and then I let this sit under the dryer for I think like a half hour. Then I rinsed it out and then put in, then I went in with the leave-in detangler, and that was nice. I let that sit again for another 10 minutes under the dryer. As far as smell, I give it like a 7. I'm not like crazy about this scent. It's organic rose and honey, and I actually like rose and honey, but I don't know, the combination, it's not doing it that much for me. Yeah, but it's not like terrible. Like I don't hate the scent. It's not unbearable or anything. So I could deal with it, but it's not my favorite. So yeah, out of the shampoo, conditioner, and the leave-in, I like the leave-in and the conditioner most. The shampoo, But anyway, so now I'm about to blow dry my hair and come back for styling. And I also already have a blow drying video on how I blow out my hair on my channel already. So if you haven't seen it, I'll have it linked above or down below for you guys if you would like to watch that. Y'all, before I start blow drying, I just need to say my hair feels amazing right now. Like amazing. It is so soft and definitely super moisturized. Get into it. Yeah, I just had to share that really quickly because I just took down one of my little twists, and yeah, my hair feels really good, so I just had to share that. But yeah, all right guys, so I am back. My hair is blow dried, and y'all, I am like, my hair looks even longer than the last time I blew it out. Like, but y'all, I am living for this length and this volume. If my hair could like give me this every day, it'd be a whole different story. But anyway, we're gonna just go into it. I'm gonna put my hair back in 4 sections. I'm terrible at parting, so yeah, we do the best we can here. I don't even care about the back, but I'll try. All right, so for the Bantu knots, for my Bantu knots, I'm going to be using the curl defying gel. And it says that it is a plant-infused gel with marshmallow root and hibiscus botanicals to define and shape your curls. So it says that you should distribute this on wet or damp hair. I'm not doing that because I'm not going to play myself with these Bantu knots, and no. That was my step 1, to do this on stretched hair because I want that length. Okay, so I'm not even gonna wet my hair or anything. I think it should be fine. Fingers crossed that it works out. I never did this before, so I can't tell you for sure that this is something I should do, but this is just what I'm gonna try. I mean, okay, it's a little sticky. That's kind of cool. I think it'll be good for the Bantu knots. I think they'll give them like a nice shine or whatever, and a nice like soft texture. I'm hoping. So let me get that off my finger. So I'm just taking like a third from the back. Now I'm like, do I want this in one Bantu knot, or should I split it in two? I think I'll split it in two. Why is my phone about to die? First, I'm going to just brush out this section and make sure it is nice and detangled. Boom. Then I'm just gonna take literally like one pump of this, and even that looks like a lot. And I'm just gonna coat my hair. I'm just gonna coat my hair and then start to twist. I'm already like nervous, but this will be good. I'm not worried. I'm just gonna wrap my hair around itself while still twisting that piece of hair. And the hair should like wrap around itself enough to where it doesn't come loose. And there's my knot. So I'm actually gonna finish the back and then show you guys a better view doing it in the front. So I'm just gonna do this back half of my hair and come back. All right guys, so I'm finally at the last section of hair. I'm just gonna split this in two. So I'm just brushing and detangling this section. My hair feels really soft and smooth. And I'm taking the curl defining gel and just taking one pump first, rubbing it all through my fingers, then distributing that to the hair, and then I'm gonna take like half a pump and add that to the ends of my hair. After that, I just want to make sure it's like through every part of the section, and then I try to take it right at the middle, and I just begin to twist. So once I get almost to the end, I just take it and start to wrap it around my finger, and then create the Bantu knot. Personally, I like mine pretty tight. It shouldn't be like too tight, but I just want to like make sure everything's in place and nothing's gonna like shift around or anything, because that'll ruin it. So yeah, that's really it. I'm just gonna show you guys one more time. So I'm taking my section of hair, detangling it, and again, I'm taking the hair all the way up to like the center of the part, and I begin to twist. And then I'm going to start my knot. Now all my knots are done. I did I did 5 on each side in the back and 4 in the front. So this is what it looks like. I think I'm gonna sit under the dryer for maybe like 30 to 40 minutes, and then just kind of let it chill and air dry, and then I'll take them out and show you guys what it looks like. I'm really hoping this worked out. The gel smells really good and it feels nice in my hair. It just feels like soft and smooth, so I think it'll be good. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it dry and then come back when it's time to take these things down. Alright guys, I am back. It is the next day. I let them dry overnight and it wasn't that bad because it kind of just smushed down like this when I slept, so it really didn't bother me too much. I'm hoping, I really hope that these work out and they turn out nice, because you guys have been hyping me up on Instagram, and if you've reached this point of the video by now and you haven't subscribed, I'm upset and it's your fault. Just oil up my fingers, and how I take these out, I just start twisting it in like the opposite direction that I wrapped it, and then once I find the end, I'm just gonna take it like that. Okay, hold up. You'll see it. Alright, it's not perfect, but it ain't bad. Hold on. Alright. That's one. Alright, my ends are definitely a little fuzzy. I tried to, put extra product on the end so it wouldn't get fuzzy. I think I'm gonna just add like a little bit of gel or something. This was my practice one. I think I took this one out like, I don't even know, probably like 4 times. Checking to see if my hair was dry. Alright, so I'm gonna just speed through and keep going to take these out, and I'll come back when I get up to the top. Yo, y'all see this spiral? Stop playing with me. This. Oh, check me out. Alright, y'all, these are looking so good. I'm so hyped. I'm excited to unravel them and just zhuzh it up. But like, let's appreciate. I'm sorry, I'm just having a moment because this has just never happened. But we're just gonna keep going. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Getting that spirally goodness. Oh my goodness. So I definitely have a little bit of flaking going on, but I mean, it's not that bad. I added a little bit of oil just because I was nervous it might flake. So I think that definitely helped. I think it could have been worse. So the oil definitely helped get some of the flaking out. But the shine on my hair is like to die for. Yeah, I can definitely see like these little flakes just flying. But if it comes out good, I'll be okay. Alright, so this is what we're looking like. I'm gonna give y'all a 360. I should like clip it up out the way so you can see. Alright, so I started separating a little bit on this side. It ain't really come out like this. So I'm gonna show y'all over here. I'm gonna put some oil on my fingers and just rub it through and then separate where that hair naturally separates. Yeah. My hair is so soft, y'all. Like, yeah, I don't know how I was twirling it. See, some of my ends be like going crazy. See, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. This looks so good, you guys. Some of my ends are a little wonky, but it's okay. Still came out super cute. I got these 2 sections up and I banded the back and the side just to stretch it out a little more because I didn't blow dry it to not get this length, okay? So, alright guys, so I am back and these are my finished results. I am absolutely in love with my hair. It actually turned out really, really nice. I was hoping y'all know. So So I really like the way it turned out. I did stretch it a little bit and pick my roots with my comb, just to give myself a little more fluff and volume. But guys, I'm really happy. But I have to be honest, well, I think I already told y'all, but the gel definitely flaked on my hair. I don't know if it was because my hair was dry or just because that's how it is, but I don't want to like completely roll it out. I definitely want to try this again on a fresh braid out to see, is it the product, was it my technique, like what was it? So I'm going to give this one another shot because it didn't flake a whole lot, and you can't even tell now, and my hair is really shiny and moisturized. Like this was the only styling product I used on my hair, so I'm gonna give it a shot. But overall, my favorite products from this brand were the not this. So it was the cream conditioner and the leave-in detangler. These two were my absolute favorite from the products that I tried. The shampoo, I wasn't a fan of it. I won't say that it was terrible, but I definitely have other shampoos that I would go to before I went to this one. So I can do without the shampoo. But I did like the conditioner, I did like the leave-in, and I am gonna try this gel one more time. But yeah, if there was anything I had to recommend or I think you guys should give a shot, I would say that conditioner and the leave-in detangler. And if you want, you can give that gel a shot too. It really might have just been because my hair was completely dry, and it does say use it on wet or damp hair, and I just didn't do that. But like I said, I'm still pleased with my results, and this was definitely a successful Bantu knot. You guys can tell me what you think in the comments below, but I'm really happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.